Hello everyone. Today we will solve a coordinate geometry problem involving a circle, tangent and area of triangle. So the question says the circle with equation x square plus y square minus 6x plus 10y minus 27 equals 0. Intersect the line x equals negative 2 at the point P and Q. So like this. This is x equals negative 2. Now further the question is find the area of triangle formed by the tangent at point P and Q. So this is point P and this is point Q. Now if we draw our tangent, so now this will be our diagram. Now basically we have to find the area of triangle formed by the tangent at point P and Q and line x equals negative 2. So basically we have to find this triangle area. So we have to find area of triangle PQR. Now, since we know that x equals negative 2 intersect a circle at 2 points, that is P and Q. So basically it is going to satisfy our circle's equation. So we can substitute x equals negative 2 in equation of circle. So it will be negative 2 square plus y square minus 6 into negative 2 plus 10y minus 27 equals 0. Now if I solve this, it will be y square plus 10y minus 11 equals 0. Now we can split the middle term and factorize this. So it will be y plus 11 and y minus 1 equals 0. So from here I'll get y equals negative 11 or y equals 1. So basically from here I'll get coordinate of P as negative 2 and 1 and coordinate of Q will be negative 2 and 11, negative 11. Now next is the general equation of tangent to circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0 at any point x1 y1 is given by x1 plus y1 plus gx plus x1 plus fy plus y1 plus c equals 0. Now for our circle, value of g will be, from here 2g will be equals to negative 6, which implies value of g is negative 3. And similarly 2f will be 10. So from here f will be 5. And value of c is negative 27. So now I can find the equation of tangent at point P negative to 1. So it will be minus 2x plus y minus 3 times x minus 2 plus 5 times y plus 1 minus 27 equals 0. So now if I solve this further, I'll get equation as 5x minus 6y plus 16 equals 0. So this will be the equation of tangent at point P. Now we have to find the equation of tangent at point Q. So tangent at Q. The coordinate of Q is minus 2 minus 11. So equation will be minus 2x minus 11y minus 3 times x minus 2 plus 5 times y minus 11 minus 27 equals 0. Now if I solve this equation, I'll get 5y plus 6y plus 6 equals 0. So this is the equation of tangent at point Q. So now I know the equation of tangent at point P and point Q. Now I can find the third vertex R by finding the point of intersection of P and Q. So now I know that equations are 5x minus 6y plus 16 equals 0. And other one is 5x plus 6y plus 76 equals 0. Now if I subtract both the equations, it will be minus 12y minus 60 equals 0. From here I'll get y equals negative 5. And if I substitute y as negative 5 in equation number 1, so I'll get 5x minus 6 times negative 5 plus 16 equals 0. So from here I'll get x as minus 46 over 5, which is nothing but minus 9.2. So now I know the point coordinates of point R, that is negative 9.2 and negative 5. So now I can find the area of triangle PQR. It will be half area of triangle PQR is equals to half into base into height. Now I know that base will be PQ. That is the distance between point minus 2 1 and minus 2 minus 11. That is 1 minus minus 11. That will be nothing but 12 units. And height will be the horizontal distance from the line x equals negative 2 to point R. Basically this distance will be our height, which will be equals to distance of line, distance of x equals negative 2 to point R. This is the basically horizontal distance. So this will be mod minus 2 minus 9.2, which will be nothing but 7.2 units. So now finally I can substitute the value of base and height in formula. So area of triangle PQR will be half into base. Base is 12 and height is 7.2 units. So now I can cancel out this. So it will be 6 into 7.2, which is equals to 43.2 square units will be the area of triangle.